If you want to disable wallpaper scroll effect on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can do, or actually the only thing that you can do, is you can take a screenshot of your wallpaper if you have it saved as a normal image, let's say in the Photos app, and then you can set that screenshot as the wallpaper. So let me quickly demonstrate. Let me just go through all of these prompts over here. All right. So I have this photo over here that I actually set as my wallpaper, but I have the scrolling effect enabled. So if I want to turn it off, what I can do is I can simply zoom it in and just make sure that it covers the whole screen. There we go. And then once I set up the wallpaper, I can take a screenshot. So I'm going to use the power and volume down the button at the same time, and also make sure that there are no options visible. So you can tap on the screen in order to hide that, and also wait to make the status bar disappears before you take the screenshot. All right, so now we're gonna take the screenshot. There we go. Now we're gonna go back. We want to go back to the Photos app. We're gonna switch to Collections to find our screenshots. And now I can set that screenshot as the wallpaper. So in here, I'm not sure if there is an option, use as. There we go. Here it is, wallpaper. Now we should be able to easily set it up as our wallpaper. I won't make any additional adjustments. They are not needed. I'm just going to tap on set wallpaper. I'm going to choose both screens. All right. And there we go. Now the scrolling effect is disabled. So essentially we need to have a wallpaper that's exactly as big as our display. If the wallpaper is wider than that, then the scrolling effect is going to be applied automatically and we cannot turn it off. And we have to either find a wallpaper which resolution is exactly the same as the resolution of our display, or we can just simply use this screenshot method. Leave a like and subscribe.